In the final day of testimony, a defendant takes the stand and recaps the moments leading up to the brutal shooting death of Brandon Houston. Our Jordan Taylor has been covering this trial and tells us why one of the three men charged with murder says he's innocent.
Yes, for the second time, Joshua Lockett takes the stand and tells the jury that he had no idea that the man his cousin told him to pick up on November 29th in 2012 had a gun, and that he was also afraid when Brandon Houston was killed.
When he got in the car, did he tell you he had a weapon?
No.
If he had told you he had a gun, would you have driven him to the location?
No.
But prosecutor John Hatami isn't buying Lockett's story and questions the defendant's actions after the street brawl that turned deadly on Gadsden Avenue near the Cordova apartments.
Somebody just shot all these rounds. You said you're running for your life. You went running directly towards the shooter. He's right there, and you just got in the car with him. Correct? And you're running for your life, correct?
Yes.
Why did you take off?
Take off where?
Somebody just shot somebody or killed somebody or did something, shot somebody 12 times. You're running for your life. And you're running towards the person who did it. Why didn't you run away? Run down the cave.
The district attorney presented several photographs of all five men leaving together after Houston was killed in broad daylight. He was shot 12 times by the gunman.
And the person who ended up killing Brandon, describe him.
He's about 6'2", dark skin. He has a beard.
Inside the courtroom, Lockett names the gunman as Darren. He's allegedly the man seen wearing baggy clothes with a hoodie covering his head.
Do you know Darren?
No, I never met him before.
So on the day of the incident, it was the first time in your life you had met Darren?
Yes.
And who was Darren introduced to you through?
Danielle Wilson.
Now, so far, only 3 of the 5 men are being charged with first-degree murder. That includes Joshua Lockett, his cousin Terrell Henderson, and Henderson's brother Randy Sullivan, who was an admitted gang member.
So the known admitted gang member said he's going to want to call his homie, and then Terrell Henderson said, no, don't worry about it. We're not doing that.
Terrell Henderson wanted to fight Dejan.
So but then Randy Sullivan came back to Fern Avenue, correct?
Yes.
You came back to Fern Avenue, correct?
Yes.
Brandon was killed, correct?
Yes.
No further questions.
Investigators told Time Warner Cable News that a 4th man is now also wanted for murder. That man is 25-year-old Danelle Wilson, also known as Jack Frost. As for the gunman, no charges have been filed against him yet. But in this case, closing arguments are scheduled for Thursday. I'll be inside the courtroom and, of course, bringing you the latest on this trial as it unfolds. Reporting in Lancaster, I'm Jordan Taylor for Time Warner Cable News.